Namaskar. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. I am very happy to announce a strategic alliance between VST Tillers and Tractors Limited and Pubert of France. Pubert of France is a leader in power weeders founded in the year 1840. They have been serving the small farmers across the world for over a century. VST's focus has been to provide solutions for the use in small farms. VST is the leader in the power tiller industry with over 50% market share. The focus is to bring world class products at an affordable price for the use of Indian farmers. Lots of power weeders are being brought in from China, and we are worried that the Indian farmer is given a bad deal with such poor quality. VST's focus has always been to give the best and world class quality, like our power tiller with a Mitsubishi lineage, or now the alliance with Pubert of France for power weeders. I request my team and my dealers to aggressively promote these products across the country. This will empower our farmers with affordable mechanization in a period where the costs are rising and there is huge scarcity of labor. This will also be an opportunity for lots of labor returning to their villages to take up farming once again. Indirectly, this is our part in assisting the nation. All the best, stay strong and stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Bhim Reddy from VST Tillers Tractors Limited. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank you all for being with us today to witness the grand digital launch of range of high quality products. Before I brief you on products, I would like to touch upon current COVID-19 situation wherein we all continue to follow government guidelines on safety and health. My humble request is to use mask and practice social distancing. Coming on to the products, I am glad to announce that we have signed a non-exclusive distribution agreement with Pubert India for supply and servicing of high quality weeders in India under co-branding of VST Pubert. These products are manufactured in France and supplied to us for India market. Today we are launching 3 products. One is Maestro wet cultivation application. Another is ARO Pro, which is used for dry cultivation. These 2 products having rating of around 5.6 HP. Another product is brush cutter having a rating of around 2 HP, which comes with a smart backpack for great comfort while using. So that's the brief from my side, and once again thank you all for being a part of VST family. Stay safe, stay fit.